To enroll in the extraordinary exam season, you should access to the academic portal using your student number and password as usual. After login, click on Exams Enrollment. Then click on Exams Admission. In this page, select the curricular units that you want to do in the extraordinary exam season. Click on Gravar and then confirm it by clicking on OK. Then back to the home page and click on View Results. After, click on the icon See Evaluation, which is before the name of the curricular unit that you had enrolled in. Here you can verify that you are already enrolled in the extraordinary exam season.